Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So SLP has done an amazing thing. Previously, back 4 months ago, I made a video called "A Journey from Wars to Excellent." Okay, and 12 months ago, 1 year ago, I actually entered SLP. I want to show you this video back. 9 months ago, and we bought SLP at 0.0025. Okay, that was for a long term. So long term, of course, it's meant to be long term, and now we're sitting at 0.02619, pretty much at the very same place that we bought. Right, so that was just a very small introduction. You may wonder why did I actually tell you this. The reason is very simple. Today I feel generous because if you have missed SLP, and do you remember this break, right, from the video 4 months ago, I have another setup that is very similar to what SLP just did. And if you buy it right now, it's almost as to how you get SLP when it was down at 26. Right now, SLP has really pumped up. This may be the last coin that actually moves up. All you have to do is scroll down, click in the description. You'll see the Discord under Be My Friend. Enter Discord. Once you're in Discord, go to the announcement tab and click on my name, and I will tell you the name of the coin. Okay, just come and message me on Discord. Pretty sure that the rest is history, and you can see that SLP is doing such an incredible job. And now you do have a pattern which is pretty much almost like a rounded bottom here, and you are finally ready to probably push SLP to this technical target, and that's going to be up nearly 0.11193. I guess you're coming up here, but the best thing about it is that if you ask me that, hey, when we come up here, are we going to go down again or something? Are we going to continue? If you end up coming up to 0.011, which I think is very possible, honestly, on the weekly, there is no any other resistance until 0.03, okay? So I may say that the next coming weeks, we may just see SOP pretty much pushing up, doing the opposite of what it did back when it was coming down. So you might have seen SOP doing something like go down, make this, go down, do that, go down and down and down. So we may actually see some very big pushes, sideways movements, some big pushes, something like this. Okay, very opposite to what we did back right here in the downtrend. So can you get back to the all-time high? You never know, maybe. I kind of think you can actually get back to the all-time high. This is my own personal opinion. I think so. Why not? If good money comes in into crypto and good money comes into altcoins, I think anything is possible. Doesn't even matter if it's actually SOP or not. So I'm very positive into this one, and the video title was, of course, a journey from wars to excellent. At the moment, it's actually pretty great, but by the time you get back to the all-time high, that's going to be absolutely excellent. So do make sure you message me on the Discord to tell you the name of the coin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.